homies and homettes. Before the video begins, I want to let you know about a cool new series called What's in My Fridge. It's pretty much a series where it shows the most popular YouTube refrigerators, pantries, etc. You're pretty much going to see the kind of food they eat on a typical day. Now I'm going to roll a clip for you right now.
Hey guys, Cassie here from Vlogalates.
I'm Greg Benson of Mediocre Films.
Brussels sprout stocks are in season.
Cinnamon swirl bread makes the greatest French toast ever.
The series is going to be featured on Upwave. It's pretty much going to teach you things you never knew about your favorite YouTubers, like Michael Buckley and It's Judy Time. Here's what's in my fridge. I got things like frozen strawberries, sweet potato french fries, whole wheat hot dog buns, champagne on deck. Be sure to click right here if you want to check out the channel and learn more about some of your favorite YouTubers. And don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to tell them Chris Jones sent you. On to the video. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Six Greatness. And right now it's gonna be different than shopping with Chris. Since there's a new series called What's in My Fridge, I decided it'd be a good idea to show you what's in my fridge. So let's go ahead and check it out. Maybe one day I'll show you my pantry as well, but today we're gonna show you the fridge. So as you see, we got ice cubes. Alright? Anyway, we got frozen potatoes. As you already watch my channel, you already know I love frozen potatoes. Real simple. I still use regular potatoes, but these are very convenient. All you gotta do is heat them up and they're ready to eat. Okay? Frozen chicken. I got a fuckload of frozen chicken, so I've always got protein on deck. When you're bodybuilding, you need to have protein on deck. You know? For those days where I don't feel like cooking, I already have food already ready. Sweet potato french fries, good as fuck. Made by Alexia. You can get these at Walmart. I just put them in the oven and they're already ready. Now I got the hot dog buns frozen. My girlfriend's a hippie motherfucker. She likes freezing shit, you know what I mean? But honestly, I was a little skeptical at first, but it comes in handy, you know what I'm saying? It makes the hot dog buns last longer. And when you're ready to eat them, just heat them up in the microwave, throw your hot dog in it, and you're good to go. Frozen chicken breast. I got frozen meat out the ass. Just come in here and give them a good quick view. Don't make the video too long, but I got meat out the ass. As you see, we got pork chops, tilapia, chicken thighs, chicken breast, meat out the ass, guys. Alright? Over here, come over here, honey. We got the skinny cow on deck. You like this, don't you?
Yes.
She loves them. I turned her on to the skinny cows. We got those frozen strawberries, frozen shrimps. We got the frozen bananas. This is all smoothie supplies right here. Frozen strawberries and bananas for the smoothies.
Blueberries, raspberries.
We got the blueberries and raspberries in this bitch. We don't play no games, man. Margaritas on deck. You feel me? And frozen wheat bread. Hippie bullshit, man.
It works?
Yeah, I know it works. So, you know, not use that shit. So as you see, we're in the refrigerator section. Show them a good view. Alright, show them inside too. Alright. And as you see, we got that Ciroc on deck, that coconut flavor. Fuck it, man. Fuck! That's good shit, man. That coconut Ciroc. Fuck! Anyway, we got all our fucking condiments and shit like that. Cream cheese, sour cream, yogurt. We got the Ciroc. We got the champagne on deck. You feel me? Just some condiments, some low-fat mayonnaise. Got some egg whites on deck. Alright, broth. You know, for when we make pyros and shit like that. You feel me? And let's show them over here, honey. As you see, I got the good as fuck raisin cinnamon swirl bread. I got that protein bread. I'm old fashioned, man. I mean, it has a lot of protein in it, but it just feels weird to me to get my protein from bread, so I really haven't been fucking with it. But I have been eating the P28 peanut butter I've been sent. That was, you like remember the white chocolate peanut butter I got sent? That's pretty good. But I haven't really been fucking with this shit, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat it up. Got some wheat bread in here, almost done. Eggs for protein. We got lunch meat. Got cheese for sandwiches. I'm almost out of chicken. See, I always cook 2 days worth of chicken. As you see, I only got 1 meal left. This is 1 meal left. So, I'm gonna have to cook another pack of chicken tonight. I keep milk on deck. This milk is almost done. So, I got another milk on the way. You see me? We got the hippie milk on deck. You feel me?
Hey, I'm lactose.
I drink hippie milk too when I'm dieting. When I'm dieting, I go with hippie milk as well. And you got water bottles. You know, you got gas or whatever. Just grab a bottle of water. You feel me? And you got fruit bowls, butter hose. Got the kiwis. We got plums. You showing them now? Plums, kiwis, apples. We got grapes on deck. And that's it, guys. This is my refrigerator. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about to get ready to run these streets. But before I go, don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Chris Jones. Yeah. Chris Jones.